Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, we're going to be doing a front info set on my client. So she came in with one nail missing, and guys, when I was taking off her charms, the nails were so thin. Yeah, when I tried to cut off the nail charm with my pliers, why did the whole nail come off in my hand? You see the pinky that has no nail, that had a nail when she came. By the time she got in my chair, I tried to clip it off, the whole thing came off in my hand. Thankfully, my client didn't feel any pain when it happened, and I was just a bit embarrassed. I was like, wait a minute, this has never happened before. Sometimes the nail might crack, but for the whole thing to just pop off in my hand, crazy. I'm going in with a ceramic bit to just remove the old design that she came in with. As I'm doing this, I'm also going over the nail to just remove any of the lifting. For any of my nail techs here, do you guys like doing front infills? I feel like they're very like a hit or miss type of situation. I only say this because you obviously don't know the products the nail tech has used previously. So because of that, I just make sure I file the nails down so thin till it's basically nothing. I'm telling you, you can probably tap someone and the nail might drop off. I typically file the nails pretty thin when I do infills in general, but when they're front infills, I just do it way thinner just so there's minimal product. So let's say if the nail tech did use MMA products or products that's typically not good for your skin or your health and stuff like that, I just try to minimalize it to the best of my ability by just filing everything down just so thin. I honestly never used to offer front infills until I saw a TikTok on my For You page. The video basically referenced how you're missing out on money if you don't offer front infills. And when I thought about it, I was just like, you know what? I'm going to give it a go. I'm not really sure how it's going to go because this is not my work and everything like that. I'm definitely going to offer more front infills, but I'm not doing anything that was done in the nail shop. Absolutely not. If you went to Instagram nail tech, okay, cool, because Instagram nail techs typically tend to use the right products. But from a nail shop, I'll definitely be passing on that one. So as you can see, my prep is still the same as if I was doing an actual fresh set. So once I go in with my ceramic nail bit around the cuticles, I'm now going to go in with my cuticle pusher to just remove any of the dead skin that may be attached to the actual nail bed. After that, I'll then go in with my narrowhead nail bit and my sanding band to just clean up the cuticle area and make sure everything is sealed in for application. Making sure to remove lifting is so important because you don't want any bacteria, water, moisture to get trapped under that nail and create a fungus. So I use my ceramic nail bit and my sanding band to make sure I'm removing every single bit of lifting that I can find. Don't go too crazy with this because you can foul into your client's nail bed and you don't want to do that and create rings of fire. Don't watch your bitch, she look like she from where the dope fiends hang. I'm in the city where the motherfucking coke fiends hang. Don't wanna fuck a bitch and give a bitch a nosebleed, damn. Calling your phone cause I'm lonely. Hopefully you gon' phone me. I don't cap on the phone. You don't believe you don't know me. I don't be playing no games. I just want you to understand. But you don't hear what I'm saying.
Too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send her back to metro housing.
If I'm not mistaken, for application, I tend to do around 2 beads. I tried to get everything done in 1 bead, but if I couldn't, I'll use about 2 or 3 beads. You can obviously treat it like a fresh set where you just do the 1 or 3 bead method, whatever method you're really comfortable with. But I just tried to get everything done in 1 bead just to save time for myself. Nothing really changed with the application for a front infill. It's the same thing as a regular infill, and you know, it's kind of the same if you're doing, you know, nails, like a fresh new set. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I do my application, and I'll be back.
Work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all this jewelry make a bill of sex. I'm too sexy for this serve, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that job. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain. Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all backseat, scrambled late. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on this. Oh, I got 5, we most so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same way, the same way. You know I'll be done if this with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all backseat, scrambled late. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, we most so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Anyway, you always got on some fire blue suit. Your cufflinks are shining all bright.
Baby, 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 will you ever know?
I'm saying, he don't even know what he's doing to me. Got me feeling all crazy inside. I'm feeling like...
So my client's thumb was actually longer than the rest of her nails, so I'm just filing down that nail for her to just make it the same length as every other nail, and then I'm gonna go in with my application again.
And you'll never know how good it feels to have all of my affection. And you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, cause my loving feels like ooh. You don't know my loving. And that's why it feels like ooh. And it feels like
For filing, I'm now going with my e-file at RPM of 12 to just clean up her nails. As I said, this is the same thing as doing a fresh set, another infill, you know. It just stays the same, so I'm just going to go over that and just clean up the nails, make sure that it's just at the shape that I want it to be. I did realize that one of her nails was shaped weird, and I don't know why I didn't notice it before, but so I went in with some acrylic to just fill that space and give me a peace of mind. Also guys, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I know it's not a lot as everybody thinks, but I wasn't expecting, obviously I always say this, but I obviously wasn't expecting to get subscribers on here. I don't know, I just feel like no one wanted to watch me, but thank you guys so much again. And now we're on the road to 150, you know, small milestones at a time, okay? So 150 on the way. Guys, I honestly don't have any more tips to give you because after here is just, you know, back to where we all remember: buffing, filing, design. I low-key don't want to talk for the design because it was a lot. I did Hello Kitty, bling. It was a lot, but everything still came out cute, and I'm so glad my client was happy with her nails. So if you guys found any of these tips helpful, interesting, you know, stuff like that, do subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify.
I'm the main one lying. I don't blame it on me. You're the main one lying. I ain't threatening to leave, and I'm the main one crying. Just trying to be your everything. Main one crying. How you fighting on me, and I'm the main one crying. I ain't blaming on me, and you're the main one crying. I ain't threatening to leave, and I'm the main one crying.
Make me lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
We hit the club and it's cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the tea. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the div. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Vince it over. She gets down just like Vince it over. Burn the blood, she's not on the shot. So you know that bitch bad, watch her blow. It's a way. When she gets away. said she want soft city glow. She wasn't on a road, now she want on a runner. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin crews. Yeah, I wish to you. You see the light skin girl with the light skin crew. You don't know what to do, I'm still saying this bitch knows like crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad.